Hello guys, let's make a Squidgame flip card. You need two pieces of A4 size paper. Yes, color two pieces like this, color blue and color red. That's right. Then you need this blue one first. We make a half like this. You can cut in the middle and fold the paper in half. Yes, in half like that. I'm doing, be careful. Okay, we fold, and after that you can cut into two parts like this. It's easy, guys. Yes, after that you make like a cross and fold it one at a time. The first thing you do is fold the first one right there in the top, then at the right, bottom, and left side. After that, fold the corner to create triangle and fold inside like that. Make like a triangle, all of this, all sides, and fold it like that and put in the middle. And fold the corner to create triangle and fold inside again like that. And after that, the last part you made for last triangle, you need to insert inside the first fold like that. You see, you put inside. That's it. You make a Squidgame flip card. Easy. And easy like this. I show you. Yeah, the easy insert like that. Okay. Like that, guys. Thank you for watching. Yay, I have two flip card here, red and blue. Yay, thank you. Bye-bye.